Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve curb appeal with Home Depot step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current curb appeal. Walk around your property and take note of the areas that need improvement. Look for overgrown plants, peeling paint, or outdated fixtures. Start with landscaping. Trim any overgrown bushes and trees to give your yard a neat appearance. Consider planting colorful flowers or new shrubs to add life to your garden. Next, focus on the lawn. Mow the grass and remove any weeds. If necessary, apply fertilizer to encourage a healthy green lawn. Now, let's address clean or repaint the door for a fresh look. Add an attractive door mat for a warm welcome. Next, consider lighting. Replace old fixtures with modern outdoor lighting to enhance safety and style. Add solar-powered garden lights along walkways for added charm. Now let's move to the house exterior. If your home needs a refresh, consider power washing to remove dirt and grime. For a bigger impact, think about repainting or touching up areas with peeling paint. Now, check your windows. Clean them both inside and out for a sparkling effect. If any screens are damaged, replace them for a crisp look. Next, upgrade house numbers for clarity and style. Choose a font and material that match the overall theme of your home. Consider adding small decorative elements. A tasteful wreath or potted plants near the entrance can make a significant difference. If applicable, upgrade your mailbox for a cohesive look with your home's design. Finally, evaluate any outdoor furniture. Ensure it is clean, stylish, and complements the overall aesthetic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.